Does your chainsaw lack power? Is it hard to start, and does it die frequently? If so, you might need a new air filter. The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before they can enter the engine. This debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the saw run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, it can cause serious damage. Dirt in the cylinder will act like sandpaper, quickly wearing the wall of the cylinder and the piston rings. This damage will lead to loss of engine compression. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, more if needed. A very dirty air filter can be clogged to the point that it won't let enough air into the engine. This will cause the saw to lack power and make it hard to start. It can also cause the saw to sporadically die. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the top cover. Now remove the air filter cover. Just simply sits over the top of the air filter base. Now I can remove the air filter. Now I can install the air filter. Just line it up with the air filter base and make sure I get a good seal all the way around the edge. Now install the air filter cover. I want to make sure that it seals all the way around the air filter base. Just like that. And now I can install the cover.